Hey guys, this is an update on Binance. It says that you can farm a Mobox token by staking BNB, Mobox and BUSD tokens on Binance Launchpool. Now, this event that started 2 days ago, but it's still currently on running. It's going to be around for a month. So he said, fellow Binanceans, Binance is excited to announce the 22nd project on Binance Launchpool pad, which is for Mobox, a gaming platform combining automated, optimized DeFi, yield farming, and gaming NFTs to create GameFi. So users will be able to stake BNB, Mobox, BUSD into separate pools to farm Mobox tokens over 30 days, with farming starting from 21st 20th. So guys, you can still jump on this project because it's very fresh. It's very fresh. You just very fresh, guys. I'll be leaving a link to Binance so you can get access to this to Binance. Then you sign up on Binance, or if you have you already have an account, log into Binance, go over to the Launchpool page, or I'll still be dropping the links below. Go over to the Launchpool page and look for, click on the one that says farm Mobos Launchpool details. So he said the token name is Mobos, total supply is 1 billion. Circulating supply is there. Launchpool supply is about 3 million mobiles. So the research report is directly from Mobile's token, Mobile's official website. So block expire, Mobile's BEP20 block expire. Staking terms, no upper limit, no KYC required. So there's no the restrictions are limited. So supported pools, you can stake BNB, you get about 2.1 million mobiles tokens in reward. That's the highest. So I prefer you buy BNB. If you don't have BNB, just, or you convert to BNB and you stake it on this mobile's launchpad. So the farming period is going to end by the 18th of September. That's when this whole event is going to end. So the date, total daily supply. So by this you can get free mobiles tokens, guys. So this is a project you should jump on. So these are some basics on this project here, and these are the project links, uh, websites, official pay handles of Mobox. But mind you, for disclaimer purposes, cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk. Please make your trades cautiously, because Binance will make their best efforts to choose high quality coins, but will not be responsible for your trading losses. So that's something you need to know. That's something you need to know. But meanwhile, these are just the statistics on this particular project. So guys, you can jump on it if you have mobiles already, or if you want to get more Mobox tokens. You should jump on this. And directly on Binance here, it is still an option that you can utilize in since this token is live on Binance. You can also exchange this token for other coins there. So you can I think there's the possibility for you to be able to sell this token on Binance. So guys, peace out guys, one love, Shobai Keys, and I hope this update is helpful for you. If you have questions, you can jump on this project, and it's rewarding guys, it's rewarding. One love guys, see you in our future uploads.